Summer is here, and it's the perfect time for fresh salads and bright flavors. Today we're making a simple tomato vinaigrette, fresh, vibrant, and incredibly versatile. This is part of our upcoming series on homemade dressings, including blue cheese and ranch, just in time for barbecue season. The tomato vinaigrette has roots in both Italian and French cooking. By the 17th and 18th centuries, vinaigrettes became a recognizable part of French cuisine. Over time, tomatoes were incorporated, blending Italian ingredients with French technique. What we use today is really a combination of both traditions. Here's your mise en place. Fresh chopped tomato, a little basil or thyme, balsamic vinegar, minced shallots, and good olive oil. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Simple ingredients, real food. And that's what makes this vinaigrette shine. This one couldn't be easier. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl or jar and give a good mix. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes so the flavors can blend. You can serve it right away or refrigerate it until you're ready to use it. Tomato vinaigrette is incredibly versatile. Use it on salads, of course, but it's also great on pasta, hot or cold. And it pairs beautifully with grilled chicken, fish, or pork. You can even use it as a dip, a sauce for crusty bread, or a topping for fresh mozzarella. Here are a few serving ideas. Drizzle it over heirloom tomatoes and burrata. Toss it with arugula and shaved Parmesan. Spoon it over grilled chicken, salmon, or steak. It's also perfect for finishing roasted vegetables or warm grain bowls. And if you want to take it further, try making a tomato vinaigrette confit. Now go cook. Summer is the season for fresh salads, barbecues, and sunshine. Keep your cooking simple, fresh, and full of flavor. See you in the next video for another favorite summertime dressing.